Welcome back everybody to my channel Chefish. Today we are making Kuku Sabzi, which is a traditional Persian food I would eat all the time at my grandma's house. Very easy, very delicious, and always a great snack to have around. So please like and subscribe for more videos. We're gonna start with our herbs. I have 2 bunches of cilantro, 2 bunches of dill, and 2 bunches of parsley. And I'm just ripping off the stems, and I'm gonna fill up this bowl with water and then take a few generous pinches of salt and mix that in. This will help clean the herbs a bit, so just let that sit for 10 minutes. While it's sitting, grab 2 medium onions, grate them, and then place those in the bowl which we're gonna make the mixture in. So just take a big bowl and put the onions in there. Put that to the side, grab your herbs, strain them, and give them a good rinse. We're trying to get rid of all that salt water. And then we're gonna grab some paper towels and lay them out, and then grab the herbs and spread them over that paper towel. We want them to be air dried essentially. Once they're completely dry, we're gonna give them a rough chop. And it doesn't have to be fine at all. I mean, the star of the show is the herbs, so just a rough chop, and then place it in the same bowl as the onions. So herbs, onions, we have eggs, we have salt, pepper, and then matzo meal. You can also use flour if you don't have matzo meal. We're gonna start by adding the eggs. I ended up using 6. You might only need 5. Start mixing it in. You want essentially a mixture that's mostly herbs, not eggs. And you want it to look like that. And then once you have it at that stage, add your matzo meal. I'm using about a couple of tablespoons, and mix that in. The matzo meal will help it bind along with the eggs. And then add your salt and pepper. Again, the star of the show is the herbs, so we're not looking to add a lot of other stuff, okay? Now grab your pan, add about 2 inches of oil, and then start frying it 1 tablespoon at a time. As you can see, they're very soft, so you're gonna need a spoon. You won't be able to use your hands here. And then just fry them about 2 minutes on each side until they're golden brown. And now we're gonna try them while they're piping hot because I'm stupid. Alright, now keep frying them. And it would probably yield about 10 pieces, maybe more, depending how many you eat while you fry them. And here they are, Kuku Sabzi. Absolutely delicious, so easy to make, and something you will get addicted to once you start making it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you like and subscribe, and check out the rest of my stuff on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. Catch you guys on the next one.
Okay, bye.